Welcome back. Today we delve into two of TypeScript's most powerful features for composing types, union and intersection types. These features allow us to build more flexible and robust type definitions by combining existing ones. Union types let you define a variable or a function parameter to be one of several types. This is represented by the pipe symbol between types. Here, ID can be either a string or a number, demonstrating the flexibility of union types. This is particularly useful when a value can legitimately be more than one type. When working with union types, type guards allow you to narrow down the specific type of a variable within a block of code. In this function, we use a type guard to check if ID is a string or a number, and handle it accordingly. Intersection types, on the other hand, combine multiple types into one. This is represented by the ampersand symbol. It's like saying AND between types, ensuring that the resulting type has all members of the combined types. Here, manager is an intersection type that combines employee with an additional group property. A manager has all the properties of employee plus the group they manage. Intersection types are useful when you need to merge multiple object types or interfaces, creating a new type that includes all properties of the merged types. This manager variable now must satisfy both the employee and manager type requirements, illustrating the power of intersection types to enforce a more structured and comprehensive type definition. Union and intersection types are cornerstone features of TypeScript, providing the flexibility to create more descriptive and accurate type definitions. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can get the complete course on Udemy, where you will find code assignments, quizzes, and more detailed lessons to enhance your TypeScript skills. The link is in the description below. Check it out and take your learning to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.